I am Nikki and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you how to make this cute bird hanging. Firstly, we will make nest for our birds. So for this we need one plastic container and a jute thread which is easily available in our local market. Press the twine into the hot glue and then repeat wrapping it around the container. Make sure to wrap the twine around the container in the closed rows to avoid any gaps. After it dries slowly, pull the twine from container and we will get something like this, which we will use as the nest of the birds. Now we will make the yarn bird. For this we need a cardboard of 10 cm. Take different colored yarn and wrap them around the cardboard lengthwise. I wrapped it around 30 times. You can adjust as per your choice. Hold the yarn on the cardboard and cut any one side like this. Now put both of them in plus sign. Fold both yarn groups into half of them through their closed ends. Take small piece of matching yarn to tie the folded yarns adjacent to their closed ends. Now take the mixed yarn colored wrapping yarn group and tying the center. Take the mixed yarn and place on the tied yarns from the previous step. Now take a tissue paper and crumble it and squeeze it to make it small. We will use it as a stomach of the bird. Put the crumbled paper on the top of the mixed yarn tied part. Fold the open ends of the yarn group together tightly. Now take a small piece of any colored yarn and tightly tie it around the end to join all the yarn together. Trim the ends of yarn to level them. Now take these eyes. These are easily available in the local craft store. Fix it with glue. Now make a small cone from chart paper for making a brick. Now take a craft wire to make the legs of the bird. Attach the legs by bending the open ends of the legs and insert it through the yarn of the lower part. You may use different colored yarns to make different pattern birds. I made one more bird. Now with cotton I made two small eggs. It's time to fix both the bird in the nest. Take a hot glue gun and fix the birds like so that it will look like both are sitting in the nest. Now for hanging this nest, here I have taken 6 small pieces of the jute thread of around half meter. Tie knot at the end and fix it with hot glue in the nest, and we are done.